Marcus Uriarte, and Adrian Cruces is in third. Championship leader, the number 54 of Jesus Rios, is not out of this one. Oh, Uriarte and Eddie O'Shea has been pumped wide in the final sector. That is devastating for the young Brit.
And Rios, once again, like Misano, comes through it all cleanly and leading the way with 2 corners to go. So Cruces punted out wide, Eddie O'Shea and Uriarte, and 1 more corner to go. Will we get Rossi? Will we get Toprak? Down towards the final corner, Cruces looks for it, but no, it's going to be Rios once again coming out of the final corner. Uriarte gets through, and Quiles for second, but it's Rios who takes the win ahead of Uriarte and Cruces, who just holds on for the top 3. Quiles missed out